Hi guys, this is Laptop portable monitor has a 61 inches screen with Full HD then 18p resolution and 100% sRGB color, giving you bright, clean images. It comes with an adjustable stand so you can set it to the perfect angle. The monitor connects easily to USB Type-C ports or mini HDMI port, and it works with laptops, PC, Mac OS, smartphones, gaming controls like Xbox, PS3, PS4, PS5, and Nintendo Switches. It's great as a second screen, helping you multitask and work more efficiently. You can switch between horizontal and vertical viewing modes and choose from duplicate modes, extend mode, or second screen mode. This monitor is simple to set up, lightweight, and easily to carry wherever you need it.